What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we may finally have the direction of Bitcoin. In yesterday's video, I was showing you that we have 48 hours remaining only, and actually we had less. We had 24 hours because right now we have seen a break of this multi-week level of support right here, which hold us all the way back here in the 13th of July, right here on the 17th of July, right here again on the 25th, and right now finally on the 28th of July, we've seen a break of this level. What does this mean for Bitcoin? Are we going to see a dump all the way down to these price levels right down here? What is going to happen to Bitcoin price? I'm going to tell you about that in today's video. I'm also going to update you about my trade, which is now 32,000 US dollars in a profit. Yes, I have strong hands. I did not close my short. I'm also going to take a look at this right here, and this right here in today's video. So as always, guys, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a special thank you to each and every one of you watching at home. I truly do appreciate it. If you can drop a like on today's video and also comment literally anything down below, it's going to enter you to win $100 every single Monday. Check back on yesterday's video. There was a winner announced as well. And of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack in his room making videos about his journey in crypto. And if you're from the UK, USA, or UAE, or Europe, please do not watch or engage with my content. So let's get into the video, because right now we have finally got some kind of sense of direction right here. Yes, it's not a major move, and yes, we could wick down to this level here and then bounce back up and retest this level right there. However, it's been a major move in the market right now, and we can see in the past 24 hours there have actually been around 603 million worth of liquidations right here, predominantly longs. Of course, the market dumped, so we're seeing a massive amount of longs got liquidated from this level right here. And of course, we have a lot more things to talk about, because we have this liquidation heat map right now, guys, which is of course showing us that we could potentially come down to this 61 to 62k level. Yes, we have this looming range up here at 67k. However, it doesn't look so likely after this break that we are going to see those levels, at least not yet. If we take a look at this chart right here, it's showing us that we do in fact have a clear break towards the downside. And most likely, as of a technical analysis standpoint, we will be trickling towards the downside all the way down to this target down here in the coming weeks. However, there are a few things which could in fact, change that. We do have this massive amount of sell-offs right here across the US, the South Korean, the Japanese market, and of course, Bitcoin as well. We're seeing a lot of different corporations fall. We've got Nvidia fell 4.4%, Micron fell 5%, SanDisk crashed more than 10% as well. So there's a lot of different crashes happening in the market, and in reality this is not even a big crash for Bitcoin right there, around a 4%. It's not too crazy. I'm still in my trade, guys. Yes, around $32,000 in a profit. Yesterday's video, we can see, I believe on screen right here, it was only $16,000. So in the space of just 24 hours, I've doubled my profit in this trade from $16,000 to $32,000. It's absolutely amazing. Again, I'm fully transparent. I'm leaving this $600,000 trade open right here until we do potentially get a little bit closer to the bottom. And I'll tell you where I think the bottom is in just a few minutes. However, right now, Ubit is having one of the best promotional campaigns I've ever seen them have. Of course, there's up to a $50,000 bonus, and you get everyone will get instant VIP2 upgrade. So usually in order to do that, you've got to trade with millions of dollars. But right now I've negotiated for them to give you instant VIP2 upgrade. So you're going to save a lot of money on fees when trading on Ubit. But also, if you go ahead and sign up for Ubit using my link down below, once you signed up, download the app on the App Store or the Google Play Store, download the app, and all you have to do is deposit $100, transfer it to your futures account, and then you're going to get a $200 position voucher to trade with however you want. You don't have to use this $100 that you deposit, but you do have to deposit it. So we can see like this right here from the trade. There's a lot of opportunities right now in the market, and of course the link is down below this video right there. We can see cryptojack.exchange/Ubit. There's also a trading tutorial guide there as well. And of course, guys, if you did in fact want to go ahead and join one of the best crypto analysis signal groups out there, you can go ahead and join Chart Chasers Alerts. Our previous signal 180%. Of course, not financial advice. I'm just journaling my trades. Before that, we can see right there And on the screen right there, we don't only trade shitcoins, we also trade XLM, 41% right there. We can see Bitcoin, 54%, ADA, 21%. And again, all the trades are posted. Litecoin, 50% right there. Again, XLM, 30%. All the trades and analysis is posted in there. Join over 1,200 people. The link is down below. We can see right there, just below that Ubit link, there is in fact a chart chasers link. So I'm staying in my trade. As I've told you, I've got an order set up right there. We can see 16 Bitcoin at 46,000. If we go on here and take a look at the daily chart, we can see exactly how my setup looks. It looks a little bit crazy because these levels are quite large. However, I've increased my stop loss right now. My stop loss is set at around 60, I believe 68,800 for this trade. I've got another trade. I committed 16.3, well, less actually, because it's 3x leverage right there. So I've got 16 Bitcoin ready to deploy as well on Ubit, guys, if we hit 46,000. I've said it before, I've got quite a large balance on Ubit, 1.5 mil. So I am going to, in fact, go ahead and allocate this capital for more trades right here to enter, go ahead and enter a limit order right there at set prices and have these set when the price does come down. Hopefully going into the bull market, I will have that. But again, in yesterday's video, I was talking about some altcoins as well on Ubit, because right now, if you are making the most of that free $200 position voucher, or if you've got a larger wallet, you can get up to $10,000 on a position voucher. If you just deposit 10,000 and trade 2 million, you get a $10,000 position voucher. And again, these volume targets right here, it sounds like a lot, but let's say you take $10,000, open a 10x trade, that's $100,000 trade volume. So it's not really impossible to do that, to get those position vouchers. So we can see if we look at something like Solana is absolutely in the trenches right now. Again, if we take a look at some other cryptos as well, for example, let's take a look at, let's scroll down here. Let's take a look at Hype as well. Hype's pretty reasonable price, to be honest, just a little bit below the previous all-time high. And again, Hype is remaining very solid. But again, it's coming towards the end of this level of support right there. So it could potentially be a good push towards the upside. And as I said in yesterday's video, if we take a look at ETH BTC on the weekly chart, we can see that it actually just crossed this massive level right here, dating all the way back to September 2022. So pretty much a 4-year level is just about right now being broken. And this will signal a massive run for altcoins. If you were looking to make the most of that with these altcoins, of course, we're going to see a lot of things coming in the next few days. I am trading Bitcoin predominantly, but I also like to trade altcoins as well. And again, I was also talking about Ethereum in yesterday's video about how potentially we could see a push out or a rejection from this area. And it looks like we have, in fact, got rejected from this exact area right there. But again, it's not really a crazy rejection. I would expect us to retest once again this $2,000 level, and it's a huge psychological level, this $2,000 level. But again, if we were to see a break from this level, you could probably target up to almost 2,500 for Ethereum in the short term. So guys, Ubit's a great exchange. I trust it with a lot of my own money, and hopefully you guys can too, and make yourself an account. As I said previously, the markets are getting slated across the board. US, South Korea, Japan, Bitcoin as well, of course. We're seeing massive amounts of liquidations right here, 600 million. And again, nothing really crazy has happened in the market. But if we look at Bitcoin, we've only gone down just a little bit. It's not even been a crazy dump right there. We can see, I believe it's around 4% or something, or even less, 3%. And there's 600 million worth of liquidations actually lost right there. We can see they are long positions. What is going to happen when we see a massive liquidation level right here, like 62K level, or even the upper 67K level? As I said in yesterday's video, the markets usually like to do the thing which is the most painful, and that would in fact be to pump up to 67 and then dump back down to 62K. Again, drop your comments down below. I would really love you to go ahead and share what you think. Of course, don't forget to join this group right there. Yesterday we had an update right here. The price was right there. I posted, be careful, there is a CME gap. Just be careful that the price could in fact dump. And again, the price dumped perfectly after that post. So it's a really valuable group. It is currently free. There are currently over 1,200 members in there. I will be changing it to a paid group probably in the coming weeks or months. So definitely get yourself in there, guys. And again, look at this right here. This is a massive indication. I keep talking to you guys about indications about if we are at the bottom or near the bottom. Of course, we don't know where the exact bottom is, However, we can use on-chain data to try and get a good estimate, a guesstimate about where that is. And if we take a look at the Bitcoin supply and loss from 2018 to 26, each time the supply is in a loss, again, it's not the exact bottom of the bear market. However, it's very, very similar and very close. We can see 2018, 2019, supply and a loss, COVID, supply and a loss, bear market right there, supply and a loss. We got rejected from this level right there. And again, right here, back in the current times, supply in a loss. And we're currently at pretty much all-time highs for Bitcoin supply and a loss, probably because a lot of people bought above 100K. So this chart is very intuitive of what could happen. The Bitcoin price right now, what do I think is going to happen in the next few hours? Well, I think we will continue dumping, probably most likely down to this kind of area right here, in my opinion. We will dump to somewhere in this range before seeing some kind of a bounce. Again, that's around 61K before a push towards the upside. I think something like that could theoretically happen. Best case scenario is we dump to around 62.8, 62.5, and then we see a push back towards the upside. But again, I still am bearish. I think in the short term, we are going to come down to this 57K level. And as I said previously in videos, my bear market target for Bitcoin is in fact high 40s to low 50s this bear market. So with that in mind, guys, don't forget to go ahead and trade over on Ubit. Open some positions during these times. It's a very good time to be doing so. And of course, there is massive bonuses available, 50,000 US dollars. And again, a free $200 position. All you have to do is join Ubit right here below the video right now. Then once you made your account, download it on the App Store, sign in, and you're going to get a $100 deposit onto your account, into your futures account. And then you'll get a free $200 position voucher without spending any of your own capital. I really do appreciate the video, guys. Again, check back yesterday's video if you want to see if you were the winner of the giveaway. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.